Since 1980, the frequency of wildfires in the US have been steadily increasing each year. Other countries are experiencing this growing threat as well, and at this rate, governments across the world will adopt more technical solutions as assistance to preventative measures. Our project attempts to combat this threat by furthering research into smoke detection using machine learning. In 2013, Dr. Graham Kent with the Nevada Seismological Lab established Alert Wildfire, a network of high-quality cameras that are designed to monitor landscapes for fire activity. There are now over 1,000 cameras spread across Nevada, California, Oregon, Idaho, and Washington, providing crucial information on hundreds of fires each year. Our team has taken video data from these cameras to train our convolutional neural network. We have extracted frames from these videos, broken each frame into a 16:9 grid, and have labeled where the smoke is within the image. We have saved these grid squares as individual images to input into the network for binary class training.
After iterating through the frames, the smoke and non-smoke grids are saved as 120 by 120 images to directories which are to be used as training data for CNNs. For this project, we created multiple CNNs in an attempt to optimize our results. These CNNs all had similar structure in terms of number of layers and max pooling. However, their hyperparameters were different for things such as number of epochs trained, class weights, and dataset used for training. For our best results, we found it occurred from networks trained with a relatively equal amount of smoke and non-smoke images. These classifiers perform best at night because it is easier to distinguish the white pixels from the black pixels. Due to the low-resolution nature of our input images, we found it most difficult to distinguish smoke in frames with ambiguous low light, sunsets, or regular clouds.
To demonstrate our convolutional neural network in detecting wildfire smoke, we designed and developed a Windows desktop application utilizing WPF and C# with Visual Studio 2019 as an IDE. This application has many features that will assist in demonstrating along with testing our smoke detecting CNN. The user can select a video from the file system to use in the test. Once the user selects a video, it will begin playing in the window and the Begin Test button will be enabled. The user can now select to begin the test on their selected video. The test will take a few seconds to run, and a progress bar runs to visually display that the test is in progress. For time's sake, we are running the test on videos with a small number of frames, approximately 5. Once the test is finished, the user can assign a name for the report file that will be generated. The user can type any name that they desire, excluding a few characters such as slashes and asterisks. If they type these characters, it will be notified by the input box turning red. Once a valid name is typed, pressing enter or the button will generate the report and finish the test process. The labeled output video with red and green squares will begin playing. Double-clicking the report name will bring up a file viewer displaying information such as the original video name, time, date the test was run, and time and date the report will expire. You can double-click any report in the column to view its output and file content. While a report is selected either by single-click or double-clicking, pressing D on the keyboard will delete the report. The option menu allows you to change the number of days before reports are deleted. This can be between 1 and 14 days. It also contains the option to delete all reports inside of the application. As you can see, this report was ran on April 21st and will expire on April 29th. However, in the options menu, if we change the number of days before reports expire to 2 days, it will now be deleted since it is now expired. All the other report expiration dates are changed too. Selecting Delete All Reports from the Options menu and pressing Cancel will do nothing. However, selecting Delete All Reports and saving changes will remove all reports from the application.